Hey you, put the controller down. I need to talk.
Whoa, who are you?
I'm from the future, and I don't have much time, but I need to explain something about the dishwasher.
The dishwasher? Do machines take over the world?
Totally worse. You get married. Listen, the first time she asks you to load the dishwasher, do it wrong.
Why? I want to be helpful.
Listen, it's a trap. If you do it perfectly the first time, it's your job for the rest of your life. Break a plate if you have to. Put the bowls at the bottom face up. Do not organize the Tupperware.
Okay, break plates. Anything else?
Yes, sleep. Just sleep. Sleep whenever you can. Oh no, I think I've been gone too long.
What's wrong?
I better get out of here. I told her I was taking the trash out.